So this is a Metrosideros excelsa tree that's from the Myrtaceae family. About 2 weeks ago, a major limb off the northern side failed overnight. The tree had been supported by a cabling system right up in the top third of the canopy with 2 ring systems installed. When this limb came out, it took 2 cables with it and destabilised the rest of the tree. Sam got up there on the first day and to check the integrity of the cables, decided that it wasn't something he was willing to trust, so he's rigged the whole tree using high tensile ropes and pulleys all through itself, probably about 6 or 7 pulleys up there and about 6 or 7 ropes to stabilise the tree while he's removing it.
We got called in because of the understory needs to be protected. Some of these plants are quite rare. So what we've done is rigged it up, basically us holding it up artificially. And why we got called in is because we said that there would be no damage.
The job's going really well. The undergrowth is, as you can imagine, in the Botanic Gardens is very important as well. There's a number of very rare species right underneath the canopy and right underneath some of the large sections that have been coming out, and Sam and Mel from ArborCraft have been great in bringing those down very slowly and under complete control, and so far we haven't had any damages, and it doesn't look like we will, which is fantastic. It's a great result for the gardens.